I'm excited to share with you a few different tips and tricks for decorating your home with simple topiaries. You just need these wires and some common plants. So welcome to Home Lifestyle and Decor. Let's get started. But before that, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Just click on this button, it will not take much time and will not cost you anything. For the first one, I have selected this white money plant. Need 4 wires of same size and arrange them. One more to hold it in place. The frame is done. You just need to arrange the plant carefully on the frame to create the simple and lovely arrangement. I have added 2 cute little birds to complete this look. Do let me know if you love this. For the second one, I will use the purple vine plant. Need to create the frame with the wire. I have taken 2 wires for proper support. Covered them together with black cello tape. Just need to put the plant carefully on the frame. The third one is a simple circle with the lovely Aprajita, but overall the look is very appealing. That's all for today. Thanks for stopping by. Please let me know below in the comments which one did you like the most. Have a great day.